Hi, my ASMR family. Glad to see you all. A big virtual hug to all of you. Hi, good day, my friends. Welcome to my channel, The Daily ASMR. I hope you all are doing fine and safe wherever you are. Today, I'm doing very simple a flower abstract painting, of course, just flower. Sometimes, you know, in every drawing, in every moment, in every situation, you find out some kind of philosophical meaning. At least this is what I get whatever I do, whenever I do painting. And today, while doing this painting, I was just thinking there is so much of similarity with our life and the plant and branches and flowers. You might be thinking why I am doing this painting. Just because today, where I will be taking you after this painting, that is Stanford University. When I saw that university, I felt something emotional, not because of any other reason, because one parent, when they lost their 15 years old child, they put all their wealth to make this university more than 100 years ago. And today, the Stanford family must have died, but their legacy is still going on through these students. The same way, a tree is the pillar of everything, but the tree will be live. The tree will look beautiful when there are fruits, when there are beautiful flowers in it. In any university, if you can consider like that, it's like a tree, a pillar, and all the students who are learning there, they are nothing but an outcome, like fruits, like flowers. So somehow, doing this painting, I was getting connected with that feelings and emotion. How selfless act it can be that after losing your one and only son, you can give all your wealth to create an institution where other parents' children can learn. You know, that noble cause touched my heart. I know you all are aware of Stanford University. I don't have to say anything more. But beyond that, the name, there was a story, there was something emotional touch. The same thing we should also do in our life. No, my friend, I'm not telling you to give your wealth to somebody. I'm just telling we should be kind enough to think about others. We should be generous enough to help others. It is not that when we are in need, that time only we will be nice. All the time. If those parents could do that after losing their one and only son, then why we are behaving like a selfish human being in today's generation? Isn't it, my friend? We should be much more, we should show much more humanity. We should be much more calm and composed in our behavior. I know I might be talking about utopian world, but those parents were not from utopian world. They are just more than 100 years old, but they were in on this planet only, right? But today, for no reason, we fight with each other, we show jealousy, we have competition. Where is that empathy? Where is that giving kind of tendency? Where is that sacrifice? You know, when we give little bit, we'll get more than what we give. And that gives our immense satisfaction. I know we all are working hard to survive in our own way, and that is undeniable. But at the end of the day, if we have that mentality to do something for others, you know, that can make us a good human being. We have become so self-centered that we only think about our own loved ones. Beyond that, we can't even say anything. So today I just felt like talking like all these things, my friend. At least one good deed in a day, if you can do, we'll be a better human being in future. We can create a better society, I guess. And that's what we are for. In any religion, they say, show love. No religion on earth will say that fight or kill or take blood. No, only love. Then why we have forgotten? And that is the only reason we get so stressed up. And that is the only reason either we hear some spiritual session, or we attend some spiritual meeting, or we listen ASMR, because we don't know how to find out our inner peace. There is nothing wrong listening all this, but the inner peace has to come from within. We have to work day and night to get that inner peace, my friend. Just think what I said. I have no intention, seriously, I had no intention to hurt anybody. I am like one of you, very simple, normal person. But whatever I felt, I just wanted to discuss and wanted to share with you all. Anyway, enjoy this calmness, enjoy this sound of air and silence. Be safe, my friend. Love you all.